Good morning guys, Stacy here
and Jude here, and welcome back to another travel vlog. So today guys, we're going to be diving more into the Indonesian culture, and we are actually here at Lempuyang Temple. So it's going to be open, or the gates are going to be open at exactly 6 a.m. So it's so cold right here now guys, and we're just waiting for our number to be called because we are at number 32. What are we waiting for? Follow us in this adventure and let's go!
Alright guys, so we already got our ticket.
Yes, sir, this is our ticket.
Here guys. Morning exercise because we still need to walk guys going to the temple.
Around 200 meters.
So this is the most famous temple kuya.
Yes, the most temple in East Bali.
Go guys!
2 hours drive from Kuta.
Early
morning.
Yeah.
But we arrived very early, no?
Yeah.
We guys are really nice, good drivers.
Agong Mountain.
What is that?
The volcano.
Volcano.
Ayun, yun, volcano.
Agong volcano.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one guys, that's the volcano.
2017.
Oh, 2017.
I hope it will be shown in photo later. It's not foggy.
Not foggy, absolutely.
Really?
Oh, okay. Ayun sis, parang mayon. Guys, nagpa-fog dun guys, oh. Grabe, ang lamig eh. Laban. Kahapon pa tayo kakakit, ah. Last day na. Kaya nga, lamig.
So we're now here inside the temple guys, and we're just waiting for the official photographer there. So while waiting there guys, we're lining up here sa kabila, and then you can also take photos there.
So this is the gate that we're waiting guys for us to take photo at. So we're gonna be waiting for the announcer to announce our number. So it hasn't started right now, but Kuya said that it's gonna take you 1 hour before our number is going to be called. So these are the people that are going to announce your numbers, and by the time your number is going to be called, it's normally going to take you only 4 to 5 photos. So you must prepare your poses guys before you go there. We're just gonna be waiting for our number to be called here, and we are at number 32. Okay.
Then guys, malapit na yung number namin. Then meron siyang effect na ginagawa dito guys. Ayan. Diba, kita nyo yan guys. Parang wala siyang mirror. Wala siyang ano. Pero dito, gumagamit siya ng mirror.
Okay, got it.
There was wine on the floor. There was music in the air in our eyes. There was light. It was morning. Guess we talked the whole night long. There was silence in the car. Before this last long love lifted off, there was crying the night before. We went and saw your mother. Finally I found the truth. Finally I could run to you. Wake me up when I'm there. Wake me up when I know you. Cause all I ever was, all I ever was waiting for you.
Yay! Done na! Alright guys, we're done with our photo shoot. Parang ano lang siya guys. One pose, next pose, ganun lang. Sobrang dali lang niya.
Block, may mga pose kami na hindi na pull off, guys.
Hindi kayo nagawa? May hindi.
Meron. Yung parang pahiga.
Pang-wedding namin.
Wedding namin.
Wala, saan tayo? Here naman tayo, parang delikado dyan. Sis, nagkapalit ako.
Parehas kasi kami ng bag, guys.
Parang nag-audition ba? Maraming
Hintay kami ng ilang oras, tapos 5 minutes lang.
Hindi yun, naka 5 minutes. 1 minute
Walang
lang.
5 minutes.
Oo. Paano?
Heading back to
your
our
experience.
Yeah, it's good.
Kuya, we were asking, where's Kuya Wayan? And then we told the photographer, can you paging? Can you come to the mic? You went to the toilet.
We are now heading back to our
Car.
Yeah.
So where is our next stop, Kuya?
Now we're going to the Mahakanchanaya.
Mahakanchanaya. Okay. So nandun lang pala yung Mahakanchanaya, guys. Ayan. So malapit lang siya sa Lampuyang Temple. Meron din kayo makikita mga souvenir here. Hey guys, we changed outfit na ako, guys. So this will be our last stop for today. So we're here at Taman Tertaganga. So maraming mga koi fish dito, guys. We will do fish reading also. Bumili din kami ng tinapay para gamitin namin. So yan si Kuya Wayan, he's getting our ticket.
Yes.
So if you will book with Friendly Bali Tour, guys, all the entrance fees, guys, are included. So we bought some
Fish food.
tinapay for the fun, guys. Hati daw sila ni RJ. Hati daw sila ni RJ.
Gutom na kami, guys.
Gutom na.
Wala pang almusal.
Ano pa? 9 AM pa. Ayan o, tingnan nyo, guys. Mga koi fish. Dami.
Grabe yung lalaki. Ito, parang sasabog na.
Hello, grabe. Bunte siguro yan.
Sasabog na.
I think pregnant.
Ubusin niya lahat. Grabe kayo. Ayun guys, wala nang isda doon. Dito lahat. Tapunan niyo doon, tapunan niyo doon.
Babalik na kami, guys. Tapos na kami dito. Ang dami ng tao, guys. Oh. Ayan. So guys, if pupunta kayo dito, make sure to buy the bread rather than the fish food. Kasi mas naging ganyo sila sa tinapay kaysa sa fish food. Marami pa doon, pero ang init na, guys. Kaya wala na.
Yun lang talaga yung pinaka-main na
Yeah, yung mga koi fish lang talaga. So, babalik na kami kasi tapos na kami mag-photo, mag-video. Alright guys, so nandito na kami sa car. Babalik na kami sa Kuta, guys. So it's currently 10:25, guys. And then, yung mga kasama ko. Pagod. Natutulog sila. See you later, guys.
A few moments later.
So, kain na muna kami ng lunch guys. And eto yung itsura ng McDonald's nila. Ayun oh. May ganyang design din yung McDo nila dito. So, pasok na tayo. Since lunchtime na. It's 12 already.
So ayan guys, nagpili muna kami dito ng food. Tapos, nag-order na din kami para kay Kuya guys.
So ayun guys, kakatapos na namin mag-order. And meron sila dito coffee tiramisu with jelly. So, bagong-bago yun sa akin. And wala yung ganun sa Philippines or sa Pinas. So ayun, gusto ko siya i-try. And also, meron silang iba't ibang klase mga chicken dito. But, yung inano ko lang is yung chicken wings na parang soy garlic. So, ayun.
Korean.
Yeah, Korean style siya. Para siyang sa bonchon. Since mahilig kami ng mga ganun. So, yan. Yan si Kuya Wayan guys. Yan yung tour guide natin today sa Friendly Valley Tour. And ayan guys oh. Ayan yung ano natin, in order natin. Para siyang bonchon talaga. It smells like bonchon na chicken. Soy garlic siya. And ito naman is malaking chicken din yun sa Days. Ano yung order mo? Ito yun. Tapos ito yung kanilang coffee jelly guys oh. Tiramisu.
Jelly yan?
So ito yun. Coffee tiramisu with jelly siya.
And mine guys is float.
Naging na-picture mo na natin.
A few moments later.
Pasok muna kami guys dito sa souvenir shop. Kakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. And eto guys, ganito siya kalawak oh. Para siyang souvenir store. Meron silang mga chocolates dito. Like yung mga local chocolates ng Indonesia. May mga clothes. Ganyan. So, ayan. Siguro bibili kami ng mga pasalubong. Since meron pa naman kaming extra na luggage. So, dito ako ngayon guys sa kape na section. Ang daming kape dito guys. Malilito ka na lang kung saan yung pipiliin mo. And nagtanong-tanong ako. Ito daw yung isa sa mga pinaka bestseller nila. So, ayan. Sabi ng mga staff dito guys, kapag merong butterfly na nakalagay sa mismong packaging, yan daw yung bestseller. So, ayun yung pinili ko para sa staff namin. Guys, this caught my attention. Sobrang mura lang ng mga painting. Gusto ko siya ilagay sa kwarto ko or sa studio ko. Kasi maswerte kapag meron kang waterfall na naka-display na frame sa studio mo. Or yung bamboo guys. Ayan. Maganda din yung bamboo na painting na ilagay mo sa studio or sa workstation mo kasi maswerte daw yun. That means magkakaroon ka ng maraming job opportunities, clients, mga ganun. So, bala kong bilhin pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya ipagkakasya sa bagahe namin. So, ayun guys, pina-finalize pa namin yung mga bibilhin namin guys. And yung mga pasalubong din namin sa parents namin and para sa mga staff. And yung mga kapatid din ng Daisy, I think. Bibilhan mo ba yung mga kapatid mo? Ayan. Kasama na yan lahat guys. Pero pa-finalize pa namin kasi baka mag-over baggage kami. May nakita nga ako guys. Ito na yung final na napag-desisyonan kong painting. Actually merong bamboo doon. Gusto ko yung bamboo pero yun, medyo mahaba siya. So I think eto na lang talaga. And eto rin yung bag na napili din namin. Maganda din siya guys. Medyo aesthetic yung dating niya. So ayun guys, magbabayad na kami and they accept card here. International cards like Visa. Basta, credit card pwede dito. And ayun yung mga nabili namin lahat. So go ko na talaga yung picture frame na yun. So medyo kukonti lang yung nabili namin guys ngayon. Kasi nagmamadali kami since naghihintay din sila Kimi sa amin guys sa labas. And hindi sila daw bibili ng pasalubong. So ayun, ito lang muna for our relatives lang and sa staff namin. Sa Mr. Lemon. So let's go. So ayan lahat guys. 1 million lahat yung babayaran namin. That's the total, right? 1,034,000. Okay. So, 1 million kaagad. So, ayan. Bayad kami, guys, through credit card. So, kapag meron kayong credit card, pwede dito, guys. Tatanggap sila ng credit card.
Let's go!